How to make the perfect eggnog coffee punch for holiday entertaining. Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're always brewing up something delicious. Today, we have a special treat for you, a festive and indulgent drink recipe that combines the rich flavors of eggnog and the energizing kick of coffee. Get ready to sip on the ultimate holiday delight with our eggnog coffee punch. Let's jump right in and show you how to make this irresistible concoction. Ingredients: 4 cups strong brewed coffee, cooled. 2 cups eggnog. 1/2 cup bourbon. 1/4 cup Kahlua. 1 cup whole milk. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1 cup heavy cream. Whipped cream, for garnish. Ground nutmeg, for garnish. Instructions. In a large punch bowl, combine the cooled brewed coffee, eggnog, bourbon, Kahlua, whole milk, granulated sugar, vanilla extract, ground nutmeg, and ground cinnamon. Stir well until the sugar is dissolved and the ingredients are well combined. In a separate mixing bowl, whip the heavy cream until soft peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the coffee eggnog mixture. Place the punch bowl in the refrigerator and allow it to chill for at least 1 hour to let the flavors meld together. When ready to serve, give the punch a good stir. Ladle the eggnog coffee punch into individual serving glasses. Top each glass with a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of ground nutmeg. Serve the eggnog coffee punch chilled and enjoy. And there you have it, folks. Our mouthwatering eggnog coffee punch, a delightful fusion of creamy eggnog and bold coffee flavors. This festive treat is sure to become a new holiday favorite, perfect for cozying up by the fire or sharing with loved ones. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our caffeinated creations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more delicious recipes. Cheers! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.